Thinking about getting financing for your business, but want to hear what other business owners are doing first? I'm Ryan Rosette, founder and co-CEO of Credibly. Credibly is a small business lending fintech company based in the United States.
Hi, I'm MJ, and I'm Credibly's Chief Strategy Officer. Each year, we survey business owners to get their perspectives on the challenges they face when getting financing and also their outlook for the year ahead. We want to share 2 key findings from our survey and also give you our own perspectives as an experienced small business financing provider on what you should be looking out for as it relates to business financing in the year ahead. Our first key finding revealed that 53% of business owners stated that they agreed or strongly agreed when asked if the state of the economy influenced the decision to seek additional business financing. This does make sense when you think about all the factors within an economy, like inflation, commodity prices, unemployment, that can all really impact a business owner's need for financing.
48% of respondents to last year's survey said they weren't too optimistic about the U.S. economy. Only 39% of this year's respondents said the same thing. It's interesting that even though overall sentiment about the U.S. economy isn't that optimistic, it has improved since last year.
Our next key finding is that out of the business owners who didn't seek additional capital last year, 44% didn't do so because they believed they wouldn't meet the approval requirements.
Every lender has their own underwriting and credit box. If business owners don't meet approval requirements initially, don't cut off all communications. Merchants who keep in contact with lenders and keep them updated on their financial profile improve chances of getting notified when they can be approved for financing in the future.
Yes, don't give up. Now, let's turn to some of Credibly's perspectives. As a financing provider with 14 years of experience, we've helped tens of thousands of businesses get the financing they need. One barrier to financing we see is that business owners often don't meet the lender's minimum credit score requirement. And around a third of business owners who responded to our survey did mention credit score being a barrier to getting capital for them. Unless you rely on your personal network or personal funds, make sure to have good habits that help you build up your credit score. Make payments on time. Try not to use more than 30% of the credit you have available to you. And if you don't have a credit profile yet, get one immediately, since a long credit history will help your score.
Unlike banks, Credibly is a cash flow lender. We do not weigh credit scores as heavily as traditional banks. This could be a good thing if your credit score isn't as high as it needs to be. What we look at instead is a business ability to have healthy revenue. For example, if we see that the past 3 or 4 months of revenue is stable and above our minimum requirement, that is a much stronger signal for approval to us than the credit score.
If you're interested in our full report that has much more detail about what business owners have to say on small business financing trends in 2024, you can click the link in the description of this video.
We hope our video offered some helpful insights into small business financing trends. Thank you for tuning in.